How to fix Monster Hunter whilst crashing on PC. First of all, turn off frame generation. Some players found that turning off frame generation helped stop crashes. You can update graphics drivers too. Make sure your graphic card's drivers are up to date. This can help with performance issues. Or you can check VRAM usage. Some users noticed that the game uses more video memory VRAM than expected, which can cause crashes. Lowering graphics settings might help reduce the VRAM usage. Or you can restart Steam and PC. Sometimes simply restarting Steam or your computer can resolve crashing issues. And verify game files. Use Steam's verifying integrity of games files feature to check for and fix any corrupted game files. And final, run as administrator. Running the game as administrator can sometimes prevent crashes. So this is how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds crashing on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.